Hi, and thanks for visiting on this video. On this channel you can learn more about specific product before you buy, so don't forget about this channel and click subscribe now. If you did, thank you very much. So maybe in the future I can help you again. So today I'm gonna to change my iPhone 10 Pro Max to new iPhone 12 Pro Max, and of course I'm gonna say hello to 5G. So if you want to see and you are interested, I'm so excited to show you how it works, how it be different, and do the whole unboxing and all for you. Why I decided to upgrade my iPhone 10 Pro Max, which is still worth it to have, is still good, to the 12 one. This is because I really excited to have faster phone, and last few months my iPhone 10 Pro Max shows me that's getting slower, speed internet is also slower, mostly on Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi is very fast, to be honest, so I really starting to think about it. And then in my hands already the box. I decided to buy the first version, of course, I mean the first memory 128, which I think so is very enough, mostly when I already upgraded to double, because my 10 it was 64 gig, this is 128 gig. It's very enough. Most of our files we're gonna to storage in the cloud, that we want or not. The rest we're gonna to transfer it everywhere, so no need important. For me personally, it's not important for 1-2 years to have super big storage. Okay, first what I feel when I hold the box is of course very slimmer because of missing our accessories. Well, let's see what is inside. I'm gonna open this with you, because if you're gonna buy this as well, you need to see it, what you receive it, right? So wow, the box is very good making. They have extra protection here, so to put little difference, for a couple of years with this phone I decided to have silver one. So what we have in the box, we have still our USB-C, our charger, right, pin, and we have box and happiness because we bought our iPhone. So I can show you the size with my iPhone 10. It's just a little bit longer, and of course it's flat now. The edge is around the flat, not like here, right? Everyone knows about that. I'm gonna to tell you that I feel a little bit like I will have this iPhone from the past. I guess it was iPhone 6. Yeah, the design is making me like that. Of course I know the quality it's better. This, guys, is super excellent, okay? It's very soft. It's super soft, and you will feel the Apple part, the print you will feel, but the rest is super soft. Wow, it's making really pro. Also the around, it's very clean. Well, it's look nice. I'm gonna move on and open, and this is the screen. The screen, it looks better. Look this. The screen looks better when, of course guys, I'm not doing comparing here, okay, but I'm so excited to show you. Look, this 10 doesn't look that pretty like this one. It's really look pretty. Oh my god, the screen is like a mirror. It's really good making. So we already have done the unboxing, and now I'm gonna just very quickly set up new iPhone. Okay guys, so my phone is fully set up. I put all my settings which I need, and I'm ready to check, especially for this video, 5G speed. So like you can see here, I already download speed test. I have 5G full signal, and now gonna press go. The speed is extremely fast. For now it's more than 100 megabytes per second in download. You can see this, and upload is going to be more than 40 megabytes. Okay guys, so we have already here result. The result show that downloading is 115, uploading is 42 megabytes per second, 5G networks. You can do even better. Just now, of course, it depends location where you are. My signal is full, that's maximum 5G signal, but of course I'm in the building, and around me it's a lot of buildings as well. So 5G showed me anyway more than 100 megabytes per second, and uploading more than 40 megabytes per second, which I think so it's very good. The speed and the 5G connection definitely will help you with a lot of tasks on your phone. Even the signal will be not so good in the 5G. I just want to tell you that just because you have this iPhone, you will already notice that everything working is more smooth and much more faster. When I'm clicking on the apps, for example, they're opening me very fast. Also the screen, when you're moving, it's really quickly. You can scroll much faster than in my 10 versions. And of course the internet with 5G, once again I need to tell you, will give you extra speed no matter how strong signal you will have. Wherever you're gonna open that apps or something, there will be always speed waiting for you. The camera must be different. It's the best of the best iPhone right now, and I just want to tell you that the front camera, it's really amazing. I'm just click record. It's really amazing. You can see now me on new iPhone, which give you very good result of me. Oh my god, I'm really look like in the mirror now. So definitely I will recommend you this one for shooting now. If you're thinking and were planning to buy new iPhone, the camera are really pretty good. Also the back camera are really cool. I show you samples of zooming out, zooming in. It's really so smooth and very good. The quality of image is really worth it to have. And also what I'm gonna to tell you, they have a lot of much more options, so you can really enjoy with your new camera in your iPhone. I know that you just click on this video to see more about this iPhone. On the end I wanna just show you how it looks once again. Here is white, it's silver, and I think so the silver version is really now the best, mostly for me. We know all we're gonna put some case, so doesn't matter how it look back, but the silvers I think so is more pro for me than the gold one. And yeah, it look like that. It's very light, but it's not that light like the previous one. Even like this one when I hold, and this one when I hold, I'm gonna to tell you, I pretty the same. If I'm checking this way, I pretty the same, but even this one is a little bit more heavy, so I'm regret to say that it's heavy, maybe because it's bigger and it's different shape, so this make you feel that it's heavy. It's not more than heavy than iPhone Max Pro Max 10, okay? So if you're gonna upgrade from this one to this one, you will have lighter phone, but in the hands you will feel that you have a little bit more heavy because it's different design. It's better for your hands, much more stick to your hand. So yeah. And on the last part of this video, definitely I'm gonna to tell you that it's worth it to buy or no, no matter what phone you have and you're planning to buy, it's worth it or no. Of course, it's worth it as much as you wished. Why it's worth it? So first, which the battery definitely will be better. Second, the screen is amazing. It's when you look at into it, it's like you're looking in the mirror, okay? And the best of the best is the camera here, the front camera and back camera. It's amazing, smashing up all other cameras which I saw in the mobile devices. So this will make you happy and proud that you already bought this iPhone. It's a very big boost to our speed when you use apps. When in our iPhones we have like 100% everything online, we're checking apps online, we're doing everything online. So definitely if you're gonna to join to 5G networks, then you will boost your speed well and you will be very happy. I need to sadly say goodbye, and of course this goodbye is just temporary, because next week I'm gonna to show you more products, more reviews, and more we were reviewing, unboxing. So if you like that, please stay with me and see you in next video. You can click just here and watch my another video today, or next week visit me again and you can watch another video. Thank you very much for support this channel, for watching me, and see you in next video next week. But I'm going now to play with my new iPhone, making picture, making photo, recording. Wow, extremely good weekend for me. Cheers.